Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on your Huawei Nova Y61. To do this, you'll need to get the RAR app I showed you previously on how to download it. Here we can open it and find the folder that contains our files. In this case, it's DCIM and the pictures. Now select each of the file that you want to pack. Click on this plus button. That way you will enter archiving options. Here you can change anything like a name, the extension or advanced settings, but I'm gonna leave it as a default because it's also a way to create a simple RAR file. Click on OK, and that way we just packed our pictures into this archive. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.